Hello guys, this is your friend January. I'm come back. If you didn't subscribe, please first click on subscribe and share with your friends. So today we are going to talk about how you can read any website content by using Python. And then after we're gonna look how you can download images from the website by using Python. Let's jump in. First, I have to import OS library. Let me first check the current working directory. Okay, I'm working in the folder called AI and the IoT online on the desktop. Let me first list how many directories that I have in my folder. So these are directories I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 directories. First, I have to import the libraries that we're going to use. Import libraries from BS4. Import beautiful soup. Then I import the library request for requesting the data from the website. Okay, so if it is your first time in using beautiful soup library and request library, what you do, you have to go to open Google. Just you type pip install. Say you want to install beautiful soup library. You click on this page, then you click on copy. You go back into your notebook, then you type this, then you hit on run. For me, it is already installed. Then for the request library, you go there again, say people install requests, click on this. Again, you click on copy. Again, you come back here again. Then you run it. Now, all of the two libraries are installed. So the next step, what you do now, we are going to define the website where you want to read the content or to download the images. Let me say, for instance, I want to read the AI images. I want to read AI images. Then what I do, I'm going to copy this website. I copy it. Then I paste it here. Yeah, I have the website where we're gonna read the images. The next step now, is to retrieve the page of this website by using the keyword say page as a variable equal to request dot get. I pass URL as an argument. So the next step now is to convert the page into HTML content by using the beautiful soup library. Can say soap equal to beautiful soup. Then I pass the page content as a text with an argument called html.parser. I'm done. So now I can print the content, the HTML content of the website. Print soap. So these are the HTML content, or you can say the source code of the website. Now the next step, let me read the images from this website. So what I do, I take the keyword called images equal to, then I take soap dot find or, then I select the tag called image as the image tag. So let me check how many images I have. I have 21 images. Then the next step, let me first create a folder where I want to store these images. Say if not os dot path dot exist. I want to use to create a new folder called new images. If the folder is not exist, let me say I want to create this folder. I want to create this folder. Now let me check if the folder has been created. Can see now we have new images here. The folder has been created. So now the next step, let's move into the new created folder. os dot change directory. So let me check what is the current working directory. Get wd so beginning with os get say os dot get current working directory, run it. Now you can see we are working with new images folder. So now the remaining steps is to save the images into this new directory. Let me start by declaring the loop number, which is gonna help me to count the images I have. Now what I do, I will say for image in images try go to image, I select src tag as the image tag, then I read the response by using request library. I pass image link, then I check if everything is correct. If everything is correct, what you do, I have to open the file name where I want to store my images. Let me say I want to call it like image, then I add the loop counter, which indicates what the nth images that we are reading. Then we want to use the GPG. Then we indicate we are in write mode. As if. Then I save the image into this create the file by using response dot content. Then I close the file. Then I increase the image counter. Now let me run the code. So let me check if the images now have been saved what I do, open the folder, then I look for the new images. The folder is still empty. Let me check what's wrong. Do I have here we have images, then for image in images, image SR response, response, oh sorry, I made a mistake here. This is not get, it's get. Status code equal to 200. Let me check it again. I run it. Now let's open the folder to see if the images have been saved. Wow, now the images have been saved correctly. You can open the images. Guys, this is the end of the session. I hope you have enjoyed how to read the content from the website by using Python, and how to read the images and download the images into your local driver by using Python. Please, if you didn't subscribe, now it's your time to subscribe, share, and like. Let's meet in the next session. Bye.